So, hello. Before 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, I think so, I was trying to do some power loops, and unfortunately, my runcam it was shut down because I make the power loop, and when I come back down, I just see the ground, so straight away on the ground. So my lens from the runcam, it's looking like so. I know it's damaged. It's nothing to use, and my camera, what I use it on the front, it's like this. Here I open up on the back here, and actually the how you call them, the sensor, it's out of the ceiling, so it's just playing around. It's not in the place anymore. This camera, it's like this. I don't know exactly if it's working or not. I just take it out and I just leave it like so. It was great camera, but unfortunately now it's dead. So what I did, I just go in the BangGood website, because they have a PDB board, power distribution board, this main board. They have it for sale there, like a part, and also they have camera separate. They have also battery separate on BangGood, but they don't have the case. So the case they don't have. They have this protection lens, the plastic ones. I don't know, it's 5 of them for a couple of euros, but they don't have this case. So this case you cannot find them. I don't know exactly which website, or even in the runcam.com I cannot find the case. I cannot find this one on the runcam.com. runcam.com, you cannot find the board, you cannot find the camera separate. So I think so battery they have, I think so. So I ordered from BangGood camera, and just arrived today from post office. So let me take it out. I hope it's the runcam. Too much foam, nothing. Okay. Yay! This is the runcam. Now I think it's much better. It's looking clear. Yes. That's the same, or is not the same? It's exactly the same. Oh, this one is a little bit bent. I don't know why it's like so. I hope it's working. I hope it's working, because this one I have to be in the back side, not in the front side. Have to be like this, and this one have to be like this. I don't gonna push it. I see something change here. Yes. It's a little bit smaller, or just me? But I see this. This is the new one, this is the old one. So the back side here, it's smaller than the new one, and the old one is a little bit longer, and the lens is looking the same. Okay, it's missing the part over here, but they have some holes here, and they have some holes here. I don't know why. For ventilation, I don't know exactly, but it's just design. Doesn't have a straight hole inside. So I hope the focus it's all right. I can see here they put some glue or something like this one, but in this one it's too much. It's too much. It's everywhere. can see it's everywhere. I don't know why they put so much here. Anyway, so let's put this one on my runcam. Anyway, from the crash, and like so, I was losing also my buzzer from here. It was inside here in the case, but I tried to put it back, but I cannot, unfortunately. So I don't have a buzzer now. It's beeping when it's starting or something like that. My runcam doesn't do anything like that now, noising. So let's put the camera. I think it's going like so. So let's put the camera inside. And I hope it's working. Something, let's do mistakes here. Yes, have to be from here to here. Yes, from down like this, like so. So my battery just died. So let's continue. Then I put the lens, the new one, on here. I don't know if the Wi-Fi working. I don't know if everything is working. I don't know exactly, because when I try to connect with everything doesn't work. So I don't know exactly, but we're gonna see right now if it's working or not. If it doesn't work, definitely I have to order also a board. This piece of here, I don't know how much gonna cost me that, but I will have to order one. It's going, or it doesn't go in. Yes, something it's not right here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see here, it was a big problem on the front. I tried to make it straight, but it's still not straight. So it's bothered a little bit camera, but I think it's gonna be alright in time. And it's my screwdriver. One. Two. The other two it's inside. Okay. This one have to be in the front like so. Yes, I don't have the screws. I don't know where I put it right now, but I think I'm gonna find them. Find something here. Come on. Let's get in. Yes. Right there. I will have to find a way to buy this case, because this case is not straight right now, so even this one doesn't stay in the place right here on the front, so I have to buy this case. I don't know where I'm gonna find it. If someone knows, please send me a link and I'm gonna be very happy. So now is the moment of truth. Okay, that's good. This is because we don't have a memory card inside, but before it's doing the same, I have a memory card inside. Also is doing is flashing the blue light because there was a problem with this one, no connection between one another. So let's start the Wi-Fi. Let's start my phone. Let's connecting, and I hope we're gonna have some visual. Yes, now my runcam is working. That's great, amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. I am so happy because it's working. So the runcam is working perfectly. I don't know how many people use runcams, but definitely I recommend this cam. So the hit it was taking this camera, I don't know how many times. I don't know if you can see everywhere. It's everywhere. I don't know how many times I crash with this one. I don't know if you watch my channel and you see I was breaking my micro USB and I put a new one, and I show you if you break all the pads inside and things like that. I show you how to do everything like that, to take a video output and how to charge the battery. Also you can charge it with a LiPo charger with just 2 wires, and it's easy. But if you want to charge it here or you want to use your camera for FPV, I have a video also there how you can do this USB if you're gonna break this USB from here, and I show you the diagram over there how to put the wire in the place. So I'm gonna put a link in the description for this camera, for this actually lens, only the lens for the camera from BangGood. I'm not sure exactly the price right now, I don't remember, but it's around 27-28 euros, something like that. And let me show you what it's inside here. So it was something like this, and this one it's out from here. Now it's sticky here, I don't know why. It's on the place right now, I don't know what's going on with this, but it was out also, this sensor. The camera, it's working perfectly right now, no problem. This one I am not sure, I don't gonna bother with this one. I am happy because my runcam working, so this one I don't care, I have another one. So thank you for watching, subscribe, like, and see you next time.